One medical doctor says caustic agents such as bleach continue to be a major household hazard in Jamaica. As such, there is a call for parents and guardians to be more vigilant with their child or children, especially around unlabeled bottles with chemicals. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
The health report.
Caustic agents are strong acids or strong alkalis that can cause severe burns to the mouth, throat, or stomach. Consultant ear, nose, and throat surgeon Dr. Merton Smith says these agents are extremely dangerous.
In addition to damaging the digestive tract, sometimes during swallowing these agents, patients can choke and have some of these agents get into the voice box and into the lungs, creating even greater problems with their breathing and respiration. And that can actually be life-threatening.
Dr. Smith says the swallowing of caustic agents remains a significant problem despite public education.
We did notice that around 2014, there was a somewhat of a reduction in the number of cases, but the cases do continue. And this is a problem because it is a very preventable issue. Unfortunately, most of the persons who swallow caustic agents in Jamaica are children. It's about 80%. And a lot of them are actually between the 0 to 5 age group.
The ENT surgeon is advising parents and guardians to place chemicals out of the reach of children.
You should ensure that you collect and store your chemicals in properly labeled bottles. Never store chemicals in bottles that are used for storage of drinking substances such as sodas and juices, because that can be very misleading and can result in even adults accidentally drinking caustic agents.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.